Perfect. Now, let me check if there are any properties that match your criteria. Hold on a second. I'll just need your phone number so our real estate expert can reach out to you with more details.
Okay.
Could you please provide your phone number?
Yeah, my phone number is 12345678.
Thank you. Now, are you planning to buy the property in cash or through finance?
Uh, I'm looking to buy it in finance.
All right. Do you have your own finance arranged, or would you need help from us regarding financing?
No, actually.
So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build appointment setter on Vapi. Previously in my channel, I show you how you can build an appointment setter using Retail AI because the Retail have that inbuilt integration to with cal.com so that you can directly book appointment into your calendar. But in Vapi, you need to build quite few automations for it. So it is a headache to build an appointment setter like Retail AI in Vapi, but I am going to show you a different approach to build an appointment setter in Vapi. So now let's jump into it and I will show you everything which you need to have to build an appointment setter, which is gonna be more cost efficient and more easy to set up. Okay, so now you can see that we already built everything. I will go through each of the steps to show you how you can build it, and I'm not going to build it from scratch. And also I am assuming that you already have a knowledge of Vapi and how Vapi works. If you are someone who doesn't know about Vapi but want to know, comment down below and I will soon make a video on how you can build an appointment setter or an AI caller on Vapi from scratch. And on that video, I am going to show you the full overview of Vapi and how Vapi works. Okay, for the provider, I choose OpenAI, which is quite obvious. For the model, I choose for GPT-4o cluster. For the knowledge base, I didn't add any knowledge base right now, but you can add. For the temperature, I set it to 0.4 and the max tokens to 300, and the detect emotion option is enabled right now. For the first message, this is the first message you can see, and the system prompt is you can have this system prompt in the pin comment, and just you can just copy and paste in your own project, right? So for the transcriber, I choose deepgram and the language is English and the model is Nova 2. For the voice, I choose a random voice from 11 Labs. You can choose any voice you want. For the functions, we just need to build a one tool, and I'm going to show you how you can build it later on the video. For the advanced tab, you just all the thing for the advanced tab, all the things is in default right now. I didn't change any setting. You don't need to change any settings. If you want to, you can, but I didn't change any setting. This is the server URL for the end call report, and this is the server message I want, which is end of call report. And the client messages, you can add any client messages you want, and if you don't, you just set it just leave it in default. And the analysis part, you have to add this prompt for the summary and for the success evaluation and for the structured data you want from the transcript. Okay, if you want all of the prompt, just comment down below and I will give all of the prompt in the pinned comment or in the description. After doing all of that, you just need to save, publish, hit publish, and it will save all the settings you have done. Right now, I'm going to show you how you can build the tool, or you can say it function. So to build it, you just need to create a new tool. I already built it. You can see it. You just need to create a new tool. You just you can use a custom URL or a make.com URL if you are building it in make.com. If you are building it in another automation workflow automation platform like Zapier or N8N, you just have to hit custom tool and you just need to add a webhook on that platform, and the webhook gives you a URL and you just have to copy it and paste it here. On make.com, you just need to build this automation. So how you can build a tool? You just add a new tool, then you just need to give it a name and the description. This tool is used to send booking links. Okay. Then you have to define the properties you want from the prospect, like their name, either they want to buy or sell, their phone number, their email, their property details or requirements, right? And then you just to need add a webhook URL, which you can have it from the automation, and I will show you how to build the automation also. and then you just have to hit save, right? Now you don't have this URL right now because you didn't build the automation right now. Now you have to build the automation, right? So the for the automation, you can build it in your own if you have experience. If you don't have any experience on Make.com or you are just a beginner, just comment down below automation and I will give you the blueprint of this automation. It is easy to set up. So you just have to add a webhook and copy this URL to the clipboard, and then you just have to paste it here and just save it. And all the things are saved. Now you have to add a router which is gonna make two paths. One is sending the booking link to the email, and one is for the database. For the database, you can say I'm using a Google Sheets for data as a database, and we can have all of the details of the prospects like their name, phone number, email details, right, property details, and call summary transcripts from this Google Sheet module, right? So you just need to set it up like I set it up. You just need to add and you just need to map the all of the things on the respective section and just hit OK. You can see that the call summary and the transcripts are empty because we have to build another automation for it, which is gonna have webhook and Google Sheet only. Okay, so how you can build it, I will show you right now. Okay, let me show you first. And this is the automation you need to build for the end call report, which is gonna the call summary and the call transcript. For that, you just need to build this simple automation. For that, you just need to build this simple automation, which is a webhook. You just need to add a custom webhook and copy this URL. Copy this URL and go head over to Vapi. And you just need to go to assistant, then your AI assistant you are working in. Then you just have to head over to advanced tab, and then you just need to paste your webhook URL to the server URL section, and then you just need to hit publish, and everything is fine. Now everything is set up and all the things are now in good place and it is ready to work. Now you just have to make add a Google Sheet. Now you just have to add a Google Sheet module, and then you just to have you just need to map the data to the call summary and the transcript for it, and also the transcript. Okay, then hit OK, and then you just have to save. Then you just have to save this scenario and everything is ready to work. Now, why I am using this approach? See, Vapi charges per minute, right? And we all know the longer the call goes, it will cost more, right? And for that, what we are going to do, we are just going to send a booking link to their email or their phone number in WhatsApp, in anywhere you want to send the booking link. And then they just then they can just choose a suitable time for them and book the appointment, right? And we don't need to build those complex automations for available slots in the calendar, and then the appointment booking for the calendar and everything. You don't need to have those headaches. You don't need to have those headaches in your head. You just need to build a simple automation and all set. This is more cost efficient, and as well as it is more easy to set up, and this is more reliable, you can say. So this is all you need to build in Vapi.